Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Jupiter application on your iOS device. To download the Jupiter Crypto app, first of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Jupiter and search. From the search result, look for this application from Raccoon Labs and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iOS device. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to install the Jupiter Crypto app on your mobile device in just a couple of steps. Wait for a few minutes and your application will be ready for use. The Jupiter Crypto app, which is available on a Solana blockchain, is a decentralized trading platform that supports seamless token swapping with minimal fees and deep liquidity. Once the application is installed, tap on Open to launch Open Jupiter Crypto app. Now you can go ahead and create a new wallet for yourself, or if you have an existing wallet, import it with the help of your Jupiter Crypto app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.